fires don't give you much time to escape. Within 20 to 30 seconds, a fire could be out of control in front of you. Before controlling the fire, you need to know what type of fire you're dealing with. In this video, we discussed the UK classification of fire. Watch this video till the end to learn about different types of fire and how you can control and reduce their damage. Class A. Ordinary combustible fires. Most of the time, you will find a cause of burning. Ordinary combustible fires are the most common type of fire. Ordinary combustible fire happens when the materials are heated and will continue until the heat, oxygen, and fuel are available. Materials used in the form of fires include paper, wood, textiles, rubber, plastics, and other organic carbon-based components. Class A fires are simplest to extinguish because water spraying would cool the fire. Water-based or foam fire extinguishers are ideal for extinguishing ordinary combustible flames. Class B. Flammable liquids. Flammable substances such as petrol, kerosene, alcohol, solvents and paints have an ignition temperature when the temperature does not exceed 100 degrees centigrade. These flammable liquids often have a minor flash point. However, these liquids can fire at any temperature when the ignition source is present. The perfect approach is to use a silicone fire extinguisher to extinguish a Class B fire. Class C. Flammable gases. Flammable gases like butane, propane, and petroleum products can cause a fire. Lower explosive limit specifies the lowest volatile gas content that can fire in the air. That is why you must contain flammable gases in enclosed containers safely. Dry powder extinguishers can extinguish Class C fires. Class D. Metal fires. Most metals and powdered metals can burn if ignited, as they are good conductors and quickly pass heat away to their environment. You can see interaction with air and water. Alkali metals including potassium, magnesium, aluminium, and sodium may fire. Thus, throwing water or foam on metal fires will raise the flame's strength and result in possibly destructive reactions, which can push flaming metal fragments in all places. Class E. Electrical fires. Malfunctions and overflowing switchboards, damaged appliances may trigger electrical fires. Electrical flames are not specifically a fire category because electricity is a means of combustion rather than a fuel. Nevertheless, they are also relevant to remember because they have their unique fire protection criteria. Carbon dioxide and dry powder fire extinguishers are the suggested extinguishers for attacking electrical fires. Class F. Cooking oil fires. Cooking oil and fats are widespread materials available in households, companies and professional kitchens. Extreme temperatures are involved in the kitchen environment. As a result, it is a really challenging task for you to extinguish. To cool the fire, using only water will not work. Distinct fire extinguishers, wet chemical extinguishers, typically used to address Class F fires. Are you interested to know more about fire control procedures? Want to keep your house or workplace safe? Or want to learn how to use a fire extinguisher?
Fire Safety Course from Training Express. Training Express offers you the best fire safety course. Enroll the Fire Safety course to know more.